Alright, so I've done a dark cherry chocolate smoothie with my Vega One or Garden of Life plant protein meal replacement, and it's awesome. But I've been wanting to do this on its own, and I can't remember if I made it or not. I know I had it, but I don't know if I made a video. So here's some dark sweet cherries, pitted and everything, non-GMO organic. They're in corn syrup, not fructose syrup, just regular corn syrup. Or no, excuse me, no corn syrup at all. And I think it's just evaporated sugar, but still, that's not even good either. Where is it? Yeah, so it's down there. And it's got a lot of sugar. So since I'm going to make this kind of large and throw some ice in there, probably I even add some water to that, I'm going to make this like a black cherry Icee. Normally when I buy these, I strain it, and then I take the cherries with water, a can of water, and I put them in, and I make my own cherry juice, and I add that to my my glass when I make like my chocolate or any of my plant protein drinks. So I'll have like a sweetener, a natural cherry sweetener, because those plant proteins have no sugar in them or anything. I think they have like 1 natural gram or something like that. So I'll use either almond milk, water, and this, or just the water and the almond milk, but sometimes I'll sweeten it with this. So anyway, I'm just going to make this video here. And another thing I did with this that came out so awesome was you get some sparkling mineral water, you know, like carbonated water. And if you're like me and you like dark cherries, and cherry's a great flavor, you don't have to do the slushy, but you could do the slushy, or you could just do it as juice and add the carbonated water. Oh, it's so good. And if you add the carbonated water to the plant protein chocolate smoothie with the dark cherries in it, the carbonated water makes it taste like a old-fashioned, they call them back home in the East Coast, an old-fashioned egg cream. So yeah, so tonight I'm just going to do it this way. People might not realize, you know, how easy it is. I do this with watermelon too. I don't use ice, but I put ice cold watermelon from the fridge for a couple hours, or 24 hours, 48 hours, and then I make smoothies with watermelon. You could do mint as well. Matter of fact, I might even add a fresh spearmint from my garden into one of my glasses of this. Black cherry mint would be really good too. Okay, so I got a little bit of this out. It's really good. It's like slushy. You know, like one of those 7-Eleven Slurpees, I think it's called. And here's some mint from my garden. So now I'm going to put some mint in there, and black cherry mint should go good. So I buy these in a can because can be recycled. You buy them fresh in a bag. The plastic bag can't be recycled. You got to pit them yourself as well. Or a plastic bag frozen. Same thing. That bag can't be recycled. Bags of these in my store were like crazy. They were like $11 this summer for a pound. I think a pound, maybe 2, but 11 bucks. These are like $4.40 a can, and they go really far. Well, for me, the way I use them. So like I said, drain all the watery sugar out. I throw them in the blender with a can of water or more, and then I make juice out of it, and it lasts me a week when I make my smoothies, or I add it to, you know, any of the products that I'm using. All right, so that's how I use it. So yeah, I tasted that. It's really good. Now we're going to try it with some fresh mint. Okay, that's awesome. Cherry and mint. Really, really good. I added a little more ice to it. This one is a little bit too sweet, so I might pour some water in that and mix it up. But it's good. So, yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. Oh, I know what I wanted to say. It's good, and I like them both. I think I like the mint better. Well, it depends. This is a nice dark cherry, and this adds a nice little twist to it, a little freshen it up. I think it's better with the carbonated water. Throw some mineral water or carbonated water in there, and this thing will be awesome. But like I said, you can have it this way, in your smoothie, with the chocolate and the cherry. All right, that's it. Bye-bye. Love you.